mountain pass is getting worse. I need to clear this. I've got this just a little further. The snow is really thick here. The storm's too bad. We'll have to stop here. All right, let's do this. All right, time to check this. Stay warm in here, okay? Will do. The storm's here. Get inside. All right, clear the boxes. Need the flare gun and the shovel. Perimeter needs marking. The storm's getting worse. The trees won't hold. We have to move now. Hold fast. Secure this now. Make sure it's tight. The wind's picking up. Hold. Wait. Did you hear that? The trees. Something's there. Keep pushing. Almost got it. Clear. All right, there. Got it. Too close to the edge. Check the depth. It's unstable. We need to move back now. Almost there. I've got this. Hold fast, just gotta lock it. Almost there, almost there. Got it. All right, gear check, blanket, thermos, keep it together. Just stay warm and organized. Setting the heat. Okay, it's connected. All right, layers are down. Let's get this sleeping bag sorted. Keeps the cold out. Almost got it, hold fast. Just one more, yeah. Okay, secure, get inside now. All right, time to push on. Just one more trek. Time to get this ready. It's gonna be a cold night. I need firewood. All right, time to gather some wood. Good luck, stay safe. Hopefully this one is dry. Just need enough for a fire. Almost got it. This is promising. I've got to be careful. The wind is picking up. I don't need any surprises from up there. Almost there. Need to keep going. God, it's getting worse. Must move fast. That's one. Shake it off. Need 2 more, come on. Keep your eyes on the tree line. Something's out there. I have to make it back to the ridge. The storm is closing in too fast. Almost there. Just keep going. The lights, they're real. Ah, finally. What a day. All right, time to warm up and get some food in me. The dried meat will add the protein, and these vegetables, exactly what I need to make a good stew out here. Smells like it's ready to simmer. Stay safe out there. The interior temperature is stable at 21 degrees Celsius. Outdoor is -25. The heater is working well. Something's down there. Crunch! 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 I heard something. Something's out there. Stay calm, Ethan. It's probably just the wind. No, that's not just wind. Did you hear that? It's just an elk. Safe. Just looking for shelter. Oh, thank goodness. God, it's freezing. Finally. Wow. The air is incredible out here. I made it. Look at this. Time to face the day. What a beautiful morning. Time to get this rig moving. I hear you. The sunrise is beautiful though. Yeah, worth the cold. Good morning, world. Just what I needed. I think it's all set. Time to go.